Hi, welcome to another ShiftSetGo cooking show. Today we're going to make turkey and zucchini poppers. So before we get started, I have my skillet here and it's nice and hot, ready to go. I have it on 350, or you could use the stovetop to make these. So we're going to start with 1 pound of raw ground turkey. You could use ground chicken or ground beef, whatever you'd like to use. Then I have 2 cups of shredded zucchini. So you could do this with an actual cheese grater, or you could pop it into food processor or a blender. That will do it much faster. And then squeeze out all the excess water. So what we'll do here is start to mix everything together. So we've got the zucchini and the turkey, and then we have some garlic. And we've got some salt and pepper. So just however much that you'd like. And then we've got some green onion and some cilantro. So I'm just gonna mix all these up. And this one is a little tough. You might just wanna use your hands if you're okay with them getting dirty in here, because you're gonna need to use your hands to really mold them together in whatever shape popper that you want. So I'm just gonna get all dirty in here. Okay. So when you feel like you have it nice and mixed well, you're going to want to shape them into little, I don't know, a little bigger than like a silver dollar size. Really, you can do them however big you want them. You could do them in a little stick, but I like them in a little kind of round shape. All right, so just gonna get these here, flatten them out a little bit, and there they go. So this is going to make quite a few of them, and it's because it's a whole pound. You could share it with somebody, because a pound is 16 ounces of your protein, so you could share it with somebody, and you each get 8 ounces, or you could eat half of it for yourself and save the other half for the next day. All right, so you're going to let these cook for a little while. Make sure you flip them in between so each side gets really golden brown. And then they will be nice and ready for you. All right, so I finished cooking the poppers here. I cooked them on each side for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Took a little while to cook up, and this is half a serving. So remember, I cooked an entire pound, so this is 8 ounces of my protein and a little over a cup of vegetables from the zucchini. And you can use them and dip in any Walden Farm sauce. I have Chipotle Ranch here for a little kick. You could use the ranch dip, the blue cheese dip, whatever sounds good to you. Thank you so much for watching our cooking video. We would love to hear if you try this recipe, so leave us a comment about you cooking it and what you thought, and we will see you next time.